3, 2, 1, go. Oh, here goes the egg. Koenigsegg is catching the BMW. Anyone else suggest any other race?
Third gear and higher speed before we floor it.
Okay, let's do that then. We'll do a third gear roll on from about 60. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to Gapistan, come on!
Is that Koenigsegg going to catch the BMW? It's closer. Wow, wow, wow. It was pretty much the same thing again, though the gap was closer this time, wasn't it, Amir?
I think 2 seconds more and I would have overtaken him.
I could see it coming back, but there wasn't enough room. Maybe if we started at 70 miles an hour, but we won't do that today.